Endocrinology Minutes with Cyan. The adrenal cortex. The adrenal medulla occupies the central portion of the adrenal gland and accounts for 10% of total adrenal gland volume. There is no clear demarcation between the adrenal cortex and the adrenal medulla. Three main types of hormones are produced by adrenal cortex: mineralocorticoids, aldosterone, deoxycorticosterone are secreted by zona glomerulosa, glucocorticoids, cortisol, corticosterone are secreted by zona fasciculate, and sex steroids, mainly androgens, are secreted by zona reticularis. Cholesterol is the precursor for adrenal steroidogenesis. Cytochrome P450 side chain cleavage enzyme facilitates the transport of intracellular cholesterol from the outside to inner mitochondrial membrane for conversion to pregnenolone, and steroidogenesis, acute regulatory protein, mediates this effect. Here's a picture about the mineralocorticoid secretion, the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone axis. The activation of angiotensin II receptors activates aldosterone synthesis and secretion, triggers constriction of vascular smooth muscle, increases the release of norepinephrine and epinephrine from the adrenal medulla, promotes central sympathetic outflow and norepinephrine release, and finally it stimulates the release of vasopressin. Aldosterone production is determined by more complicated mechanisms. As this picture shows, the renin-angiotensin aldosterone and potassium aldosterone negative feedback loop. Aldosterone production is determined by input from each loop. Angiotensin II and potassium stimulate aldosterone secretion. Dopamine, atrial natriuretic peptide, and heparin inhibit aldosterone secretion. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, just replay it. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to contact me through email. If there is the next episode, see you then!